Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making Chia Fresca. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. So this is another feel-good foodie recipe for you guys. I saw this and I just had to try it. If you haven't seen it already, definitely check out my Nature's cereal recipe. It kind of reminded me of this one with the coconut water and the different fruit and stuff like that. This is basically going to be a chia water, if that makes sense. But I saw this and it looked so good and super refreshing, and I had all these ingredients anyway, so why not? So what's great about this recipe is not only does it taste good, but it's really good for improving your digestion, your hydration, and can even help to regulate your blood sugar. So all you're gonna need is some coconut water. I have the Vita Coco one here. Now I would recommend to use a just natural coconut water, not anything crazy, all these crazy flavorings and extra things that's not really necessary. And then you're going to need a lemon, so for some lemon juice, and your chia seeds, and the honey is optional. I have raw unfiltered honey here, but why not sweeten this up a little bit? Now I'm somebody who loves citrus. I love lemon. I put lemon on everything, which I don't know how I don't have like ulcers and no teeth left, because I literally put lemon in everything. I put it in my water, I put it on my veggies. I am a lemon fiend. I used to actually eat lemons when I was a kid, and my dad would yell at me and told me like all the enamel on my teeth are going to be gone. But anyway, I love my lemons and I love my lemon water, so I think if I like this, this might actually replace my lemon water. I love coconut water too, and I've actually never put lemon in my coconut water. I've only put it in like normal water. So if this turns out to be something that I really like, I'll probably have like a big mason jar or something of this like every day. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients out here. We have our honey, our chia seeds, our lemon juice, and then I just have some sliced lemons that I'll probably put inside and on the rim. So, I mean, you don't have to like measure anything out completely. I'm just gonna put it in here so so I can show you guys a little bit better what this is going to look like, but I'll probably just transfer this over to like a mason jar or something like that and then just drink it that way. Alright, so you're just gonna need some of your coconut water. We have our honey. Ooh. This alone is probably really good. And then with the lemon, so you're going to want to let this sit and kind of let the honey dissolve a bit. So we're going to go ahead and add in our chia seeds. Now you are going to want to let this sit for a little bit, of course, so that you can let the chia seeds absorb some of that coconut water and get nice and plump. And then we have our lemon juice. You guys should have something that looks like this. So all we're gonna do is just let that sit and chill out for a little bit while the chia seeds absorb some of that water and get nice and plump. And then we're gonna try some. So I'll probably just go ahead and put this into a mason jar and shake it up a little bit more beforehand. Alright guys, so we've been sitting for a little bit. Now I have my mason jar here and I have my lemons. So I'm just going to go ahead and plop some lemons in there. I'll save one for the rim to look extra fancy. If you ever want to look like fancy, or you want to, you know, have a drink or beverages out for people when you have people over or a party or something, I'm telling you, just this alone, whether it's a strawberry or some mint leaves or a lime, whatever it is, it just makes it look that much better. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in my little mason jar. Get all that chia. We need all the chia. This probably just has some honey stuck to the bottom. Now it's totally not necessary to use a separate measuring cup or glass or anything. I was just trying to show you guys. How cute does this look? Looks so good. I cannot wait to try this. I just need a straw. Okay guys, so I have my straw in here. We have our little sliced lemons. I'm just going to give this another stir. You can put the lid on and you can shake it up that way. You can add some ice. You can do whatever it is that you guys want. But I'm going to try this out. I think I'm going to like this. Oh yeah. This is so good. So good, so refreshing. I love the chia in here. Now, like, as you saw, chia comes in like a pretty big bag. Pretty big. So I'm always looking for different ways to use this. I have different recipes on my channel where I use chia seeds, but this is one of the good ones for sure. So good. And like I said, not only does this taste good, but it's great for hydration, digestion, your blood sugar, all that kind of stuff. So why would you not? Why would you not? And I think it's way easier for people to drink something like this. You don't have to drink this whole thing. If you want to do like an 8-ounce thing or whatever, a 12-ounce thing, something like that, it's way easier, you know, drinking this in the morning right when you wake up or something like that, maybe for some people, rather than some water. I know that sounds crazy, but I do know a lot of people that find it very difficult to like drink enough water throughout the day. Now, the chia seeds are a great source of dietary fiber, calcium, iron, all that good stuff. Even has some omega-3s in there. Of course, it's gluten-free, so definitely make sure to suck up all of that chia that you have at the bottom. Don't let that go to waste. Or if you'd rather take a spoon once you're done drinking all of this, go ahead and do that. But chia is really good for you, so definitely don't let it go to waste. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video with anybody that you know that never hydrates or finds it really hard to get enough water in throughout the day. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.